Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This printer is HP LaserJet 107w. What I want to do is to show you how to print document from your mobile device to this printer. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and your mobile device are connected to the same network. And to print document, you go to My Files, select My Files, then it will show you documents available. So select the document, click on the document. This is 2 pages document. Gently tap on it, then select the 3 dots, select print, scroll down, and it will show you HP Laser 103, 107, 108. Select on it. You will see a yellow printer icon to show you that the printer is ready. Then you scroll down, select paper size A4, orientation, portrait. You select how many copies. This printer is black and white only. Go up and select print. Use HP, then select OK. These are the documents we printed out, 2 copies. Another way to print document is if you connect this printer and your mobile phone via HP app. If you go to HP app, this is HP app. Then you scroll down, you will see scan, camera scan, and print document. So select print document or photo. Then you select PDF or my photo. So select PDF. Then from the list, you look on your list of documents and select the particular one you want to print out. So select this. This is 2 pages document. Then select preview. You select how many copies. Paper size A4, range all, orientation, automatic or portrait, color option black and white. Select more option. Then you select fill page. If you want to print photo, then you select photo. It's currently in document. In terms of quality, you can select automatic, normal, or best. Then you go back, then select print. This is documents we printed out, 2 pages. So these are ways to print documents from your mobile phone to this printer. Thank you very much indeed. This is HP LaserJet 107w. Thank you.